What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. So, the Galaxy Watch 5, they do have another variant, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which this is not. I currently have the Galaxy Watch 3. The Galaxy Watch 6 is supposed to get announced in August, which is next month. So I'm a couple generations behind, but right now with this new 5 series that I got, I'll only be one generation behind. And if the 6 wows me enough, I think I'll pick it up. But every few years, I like to pick up a Galaxy Watch just to keep it updated, keep it current. And you'll see a video coming soon of the Galaxy Watch 3 versus the Galaxy Watch 5. I'll throw a link up here in the top here that you can see when I originally did the Galaxy Watch Frontier versus the Galaxy 3. That video got a lot of views, and hopefully the next one with the comparison of the 3 versus the 5 gets some as well. So you can make an educated decision whether you like to upgrade or not. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So Galaxy Watch 5, you see it right there on the top. You see Samsung branding, you see a picture of the watch. 44 millimeter variant. I think there's a 40 millimeter variant as well. Bottom, blank, Galaxy Watch 5. We won't go through anything on the back pretty much because of all the technical information that I have underneath my thumbs, but you can see Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS enabled. So we'll open the box and see what's inside the box. I did pre-cut these. I'm hoping that this is easy to get out. But let's see if I can get this out. Okay, there we go. So inside the box, you're getting, you got another box. We'll throw that to the side. You got the watch. Put that to the side. Inside this box, let's see, should be a bunch of instructions, maybe extra bands, I don't know, we'll see. Let's see if we can get this out. All right, we got that. So you got booklets, terms and conditions. Let's see if I can go from the other side. Okay, that's it for there. So you got booklets. They're giving you, it looks like the wire. Let me see if I can get this out without ripping it. There, okay, that's it. So you're getting your charging cable. Obviously, everybody knows who had a watch. This is how they charge, with a little magnetized kind of charging thing, which will pop on there. It's magnetized. But what they don't give you anymore is the plug. So this is a USB Type-C. This will go into a power brick, and then you can charge. So let's get that away, get that out of the way, and then we'll check out the watch really quickly. But it's a very simple presentation as far as what's inside the box with Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. So we'll power that up really quickly. We'll see how long it takes to power up. Is it gonna be 20 seconds? Is it gonna be a minute, 3 minutes? We'll see. It should be pretty fast, but standard. What's different about the Galaxy 5 versus the Galaxy 3, right off the bat, it doesn't have the rotating bezel. I know the Galaxy Watch 6, there's rumors that that's coming back, but I like having the bezel, but I also don't like having the bezel. Really quickly, I'll explain why. It looks better because you're getting more screen real estate without the bezel, but the cool feature of that bezel, man, that was one of the signatures of Samsung watches, that nice bezel. I wish they could do it both. I do have an idea of how they could get both of those done, but you know, I don't have any reach to Samsung. Maybe one day I'll be a Samsung knight. Maybe one day, maybe one day. But this is a plastic gray band here. I have plenty of bands. I'll probably swap these out. But the watch looks really nice. It's really slim, but that's pretty much an unboxing for a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. And now I'm on TikTok. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.